How to fix Bluetooth not working in HP laptop in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to click on here and see if your Bluetooth is connected to any device or not, and click on more Bluetooth devices, and then you can look for your Bluetooth. And you can also add a device like clicking on Bluetooth, and it will discover new Bluetooth devices around you. And if it's not working fine, then you can just click on the search bar from here and click on services from here, and click on services. And after opening the services option, you just have to scroll down and look for the three options related to Bluetooth. As you can see, Bluetooth audio gateway, Bluetooth support service, and Bluetooth user support service. And you just have to simply click on each of every one and click on startup type to automatic, and always click on apply, then okay. You just have to do this for all the three options, and do this to automatic, apply and okay, and on the third one also apply and okay. And you have to look for it, you have to look for it and okay, and you have to look for it that it's running. And if its service status is not running or paused, you just have to manually click on start and let it be start. And after that, you just have to look for if your Bluetooth can be found or not, or working fine. And if it's not working again, you just have to click on device manager, search for device manager, and on the device manager you have to look for the Bluetooth section from here, and you just have to click on the Bluetooth device, the protocol TDI, that is the original Bluetooth adapter of yours. And you just have to right click on it and update the driver, and click on search automatically update. And you can do another thing by updating the Intel wireless Bluetooth R. You just have to simply automatically update it and look for if it's now fixed, or and if it's not fixed till now, you just have to simply click on the settings option again, and you have to look for the system and look for any Windows update for available for here. And you can do another thing, you can click on advanced settings from advanced options from here, and you can just check if there is any other optional updates is available. So you just have to click on the optional updates and click on download and install, and then you just have to click on systems and update the Windows for your laptop and restart your laptop, and then you can see your Bluetooth is working fine. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.